No, my mic's been muted this whole time. I didn't realize it. Thanks for letting me know. Welcome in, though. What I've been saying is the market closes in like less than an hour. So if you open a trade at this point, we're probably looking at holding a trade for more than a minute or two. And I don't like keeping trades open very long. Yeah, I was looking at the wrong thing when I turned my mic on, but I'm glad it's fixed now. Market closes in just a few minutes. It's been kind of a downhill climb. The P&L looks pretty good today, though, so no complaints here. I've made around $4,000, give or take. I haven't calculated it, but $4,000 so far, and 3 of these are evals. So I've traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts today. They're all 200 plus, mostly 500 on each one. You can see my P&L on the top left side of the screen here. I've made almost $4,000. You can't profit today. How about you? Yeah, I've made all right. I've had to stop live streaming in the morning because at the end of the day, first, I'm a trader. And then second, I'm a YouTube streamer. I'm still getting used to streaming. And in streaming my trades, I always feel like I have to be in a trade when I'm on live, so I've been holding back a little bit. Make my money for the day, and then any trade after that's just a plus. Let me take this call real quick. Yes, sir. Quoted at the same price as last year when we first started with Ruby Tuesday. Oh, with mulch. You don't think Tyler can do it? Mm-hmm. What's up, Cave? How you doing, man? Yeah. If you were to do it yourself, how long would it take you? Good whole day. And yeah. All right. Well, let me know what the quote is if they get there. All right. Sounds good. All right. Cool. See you, man. Y'all be careful. Bye. All right. Cave Trader, chilling. Aaron Badilli, yeah. Yeah, what? Sorry, I don't remember the conversation. Welcome in, guys. Good to see you. Just figured I'd stream a little bit before we close out for the day. Market's moving super slow now. I almost took a trade. If this candle closed green, I was going to jump in, but kind of got trigger shy. Could have had a nice little 10-pointer. How many points was that? 701. Yeah, 15-pointer. How's that P&L looking, Cave? Did you trade today? I'm up like 4 grand for the day, 3,500 yesterday. My funded accounts are starting to look really good now. Looks like it's going. I'm not waiting for anything right now. Overall, I'm short because of the direction of the market, but uh, it's moving way too slow. It's at the end of the day, considering the small red day down about $60 in each account. Not bad, man. Not bad. Market's moving way too slow now, so you're not going to be able to trade much. If you do, you're taking a huge risk, in my opinion. Got to have some sort of momentum. But overall, I've been short. What's crazy is my long positions are the ones that I played today for some small points. I traded some wick retracements. Just one of my few strategies. You can see them here. Got in here, closed out here. I'm testing out a script on Pine Editor. Been doing some strategy testing as well. Back testing, super trend strategy. What's that one? Let's try it out. Oh my. Hey, at least you had a small red day. $60. That's good. It's been a weird market today, honestly. I mean, it just fell forever and then kind of sideways after that. Nothing significant. On my live account, I caught a little movement here. Mike, you killed it today. Yes, sir. Did all right. I do better whenever I don't stream in the beginning of the day, like pre-market, market open, and then after market open, I trade, and I'm not stressed being on live. So I'm going to stop going live early, get my trading day over with, and then get on here and hang out with you guys. Maybe take some trades. Evals only. I like to get my PA accounts in the green pre-market and sometimes a little bit on market open, but get my PAs or my funded accounts all good and green, and then I'll jump on. I'll be able to take a payout from Apex this week coming up. As long as we continue the trajectory, the direction we are on. Yeah, volume was very low today, and I wasn't planning on taking any trades. Yeah, I came in today thinking we'd probably have some low volume. But you're right, it was pretty low. Beginning of market open, it was all right. Just fell. But when I saw the market drop at the open, it took a couple of trades. So you're green P&L too today? I should have jumped in this trade like I wanted to. Man, oh man, oh man. Not by much. Hey, at least you're green, man. I've got one more you can't see. There it is. 221, 232, 242, and then the rest are like 500 plus. Looks like it's gonna stay the way it is, so I'm about to just pop off here around 200 per account. Hey, that's good, man. That's real good. We have a 5 p.m. bearish fair value gap, price tap this fair value gap and drop. If break even, or if break this fair value gap, I'm gonna buy. 5-minute bearish. Where's the fair value gap? Right in here. I don't really trade this style. Is this what you're talking about, Aaron? Yeah. We've kind of tapped into it a little bit here, but maybe we'll see some movement when the market opens back up at 5. I think I'm gonna learn the ICT way, just for knowledge, because everyone that gets on here talks about fair value gaps and all this. I kind of get the concept, but do a little more digging into it just so I can understand what some people are talking about. Where are you from, Aaron? Don't apologize. It's all good, man. We're all good. No big deal. Being that we kind of dropped right here and rejected in this area, let me just lower this down. So my thoughts are, here's a support area. Tried to go back up and retested that area. So we came down, boom, we've surpassed that area. Now it's kind of trading as a resistance area, if that makes sense. So I get your point though. Could come back in here and shoot back down, but it could come back up into here, retest and shoot back up. So that'd be something cave trader, I think, break and retest strategy. Pop up here, come back and retest this for support, and then shoot up. Am I right, Cave? That's what you do, right? And Aaron is from Turkey. Never been to Turkey. I do have a friend that lives in Turkey. Never been. I don't even know if we're allowed to go to Turkey at this point, coming from the U.S. Yeah, I've seen pictures and videos. It is a nice place. I agree. I wouldn't mind making a visit. I want to go to Amsterdam, and I want to go to Dubai. I want to go to a lot of places. I plan to go. I have a big family, and it's kind of hard to get to places like that. So here's another fair value gap. It got touched here and then shot back down, kind of came back up, boom, and then ducked down for a little while. Here we are hitting this second one, and maybe this will hit up and come back down even further. Good to keep an eye on it, I guess. See how price reacts. I like looking at price from the past. You should see my other charts. I've been doing a lot of back testing today. I've had a lot of time for it, so looks like we're jumping into this area now, so looks like we lost a subscriber. We were at 171 when we started, now we're at 170. Good riddance, whoever you are. All right, so market closes in 34 minutes. I'm gonna hop off here and go hang out with my family, do a little work here. I've got a lot of collections to do, so gonna knock that out. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to give God thanks, and yeah, the deal with fair value gaps is that you need to look to the left and see if structure was broken before the fair value gap forms. Hey Mike, you want to hop on a call on Discord sometime and give me a little insight? It'd be cool if you could. If not, no big deal. Not an ICT expert by any stretch. Yeah, it's all right. If you get the concept, that's cool. I'm not an ICT guy. I'm not a big fan of him anyway. He seems like a fake. I don't think he really makes the money that he says he does trading. He might make a lot of money. He's probably a millionaire, judging by his subscriber count and everything that his socials. But that's probably why, from just affiliate stuff. But yeah, let's hang out sometime and talk about it. I'd like to. Thank you. I'm gonna hop off here, guys. Hope you have a blessed day and good luck with your trades this afternoon, tomorrow, whatever. Peace.